Solve for the variable t using substitution, part 2. In this video, we're just going to show how to calculate the quadratic function for the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, watch the previous one so you know where this information came from. So at this point, we have substituted 6 plus t for u, and we have moved all of our coefficients to the left side of the equation, and we have labeled our coefficients. Coefficient A is pi, coefficient B is -1, and coefficient C is -pi. So now we just need to calculate using the quadratic formula to find out what our two solutions are for this equation. Here is 1/2 of the solution. You have 1 plus the square root of 1 minus -39.4784,176 divided by 6.283185,307. And then we added the two numbers underneath the square root, and then we took the square root here. So we add the numbers underneath the square root, giving us this. And then we took the square root, giving us this number here, and we added them together, giving this number. Then we divided them, and that gives us our first solution for u. For the second solution, we have 1 minus the square root of -1 squared minus 4 times pi times -pi, giving us this number here. And then we took 1 minus -39.4784,176, giving us this number here. Then we took the square root of that number, giving us this number here. And then we took 1 minus 6.362265,131, giving us this negative number here. Then we divided that by 6.283185,307, giving us our second solution. So those are the steps of calculating using the quadratic formula for this problem. After you get these u values, then you're going to take these u values and you're going to plug them into u, the substitution for 6 plus t. So the first one will equal 1.71740888 equals 6 plus t. And then the second one would be -0.8534310018 equals 6 plus t. And if you calculate those out, you get your two t values. So let's do the first one. Your first t value will equal -4.28259112. Your second t value would be -6.8534310002. So here are your two t values. If you plug those back into your original equation, it should balance out. And that's every step of figuring out how to answer this question. If you have any other questions, email me. If you have any other problems like this you cannot solve, email those to me. And I will see you all in the next video.